In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Proton Mail Bridge. Proton Mail Bridge is a desktop app that lets you use Proton Mail with traditional email clients like Thunderbird, Classic Outlook, or Apple Mail, while keeping Proton's privacy model in place. It works by running locally on your computer and handling encryption and decryption in the background. Before you begin, make sure you have a paid Proton Mail plan because Bridge is not available on free accounts. Also, keep in mind that it does not work with the new Outlook for Windows, so you'll need to use Classic Outlook or another supported desktop client. To get started, open your web browser and go to Proton's mail download page. Download the installer that matches your operating system, whether that's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and then run the installer. This will install the Bridge application and prepare it to run on your computer. Once installation is complete, open Proton Mail Bridge on your desktop. Sign in using your Proton Mail account username and your main account password. After the login is successful, look for the status indicator in the top left area of the app. When everything is connected properly, it should show that the app is connected. Next, stay inside the Bridge app and open the email clients or configure section next to your signed in account. This is an important screen, so leave it open. Here, Bridge will show the local connection details generated for your machine, including the IMAP port, the SMTP port, the username, and a long app-specific password. That generated password is the one you must use in your email client. Do not use your normal Proton account password for the mail client setup. Now open your desktop email application and choose the option to add an account or use manual configuration. For the incoming IMAP server, enter 127.0.0.1 or localhost as the server address. Use port 1143, select Start TTLS or SSLTTLS as the security method, and then enter the username and generated Bridge password exactly as shown. For the outgoing SMTP server, again use 127.0.1 or localhost as the server address. Set the port to 1025, choose Start TTLS or SSL TLS, and make sure authentication is enabled. Use the same username and generated password here as well. When that's done, click Save or Done in your email client. You may see a certificate warning because the Bridge server is running locally on your machine. If that happens, accept or trust the certificate so the client can complete the